The topic is automobile emission testing. To understand the importance of automobile emission testing in the realm of environmental consciousness and public health, automobile emission testing stands as a critical checkpoint in our modern society. As cars have become an integral part of daily life, the emissions they produce have increasingly come under scrutiny due to their adverse effects on the air quality and human health. This article delves into the significance of automotive emission testing, its methods, and a broader impact on environmental and public welfare. What is automobile emission testing? Automobile emission testing, also known as vehicle emission testing or smog testing, is a process designed to measure the pollutants emitted by vehicles. The pollutants primarily include carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbons, and particulate matter, all of which contribute to air pollution and is associated health risks. The importance of emission testing. One is environmental impact. Vehicle emissions are a major contributor to air pollution, leading to smog formation, acid rain, and the exacerbation of climate change. By identifying high-emitting vehicles through testing, authorities can enforce regulation to mitigate their environmental impact. Second one is public health. The pollutants emitted by vehicles pose significant health risks, including respiratory illness, cardiovascular diseases, and even premature death. Emission testing helps identify vehicles that exceed permissibly emission limits, thereby reducing public exposure to harmful pollutants. Third one is regulatory compliance. Many regions have implemented emission standards and regulations to control vehicle emissions. Emission testing ensures that vehicles comply with these standards, promoting environmental sustainability and public health. Vehicle maintenance. Emission testing often involves a comprehensive inspection of vehicle components related to emissions control, such as catalytic converter and oxygen sensors. Identifying and repairing manufacturing components not only reduces emissions but also involves fuel efficiency and prolongs vehicle lifespan. Methods of emission testing. On-board diagnostic (OBD). OBD testing is modern vehicles are equipped with on-board diagnostic system that monitor the performance of emission control components. OBD testing involves connecting diagnostic equipment to the vehicle's onboard computer to retrieve emission-related data and detect any malfunctions. Second one is tailpipe emission testing. This method involves directly measuring the exhaust emissions emitted from the vehicle's tailpipe. Testing equipment analyzes the concentration of pollutants such as CO, NOx, HC, and particulate matter to determine compliance with the emission standard. Third one is remote sensing. Remote sensing devices are used to measure vehicle emissions while the vehicle is in motion without the need for direct contact or intrusive testing procedure. This method allows for the rapid screening of a large number of vehicles and can help identify high-emitting vehicles for further inspection. The future of emission testing. As technology advances, emission testing methods are expected to become more sophisticated and efficient. This includes the development of portable emissions testing devices, advancement in remote sensing technology, and the integration of artificial intelligence for real-time emission monitoring. Furthermore, the shift towards electric vehicles is poised to revolutionize the automotive industry to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. While EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, they are not entirely exempt from environmental impact, as emissions may be generated during electricity generation and battery production. Therefore, future emission testing frameworks may need to adapt to accommodate the growing prevalence of EVs and ensure their environmental sustainability. In conclusion, the automobile emission testing plays a crucial role in safeguarding both environmental and public health.